Hi everyone, it's Linda. Welcome to another video here on my channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about those makeup related things that we do but should probably stop doing. And I am talking from my experience as a makeup artist. I have to admit that I am also doing some of these things as well. So let's start the video. This is something that I'm actually really bad at myself. I absolutely wash my sponges and tools when I'm working as a makeup artist, but when it comes to my own tools, I am very lazy and I don't really wash them. And I mean, you can wash your face and you can be super clean, but if you don't wash your brushes, they collect a lot of bacteria and a lot of makeup over time. So when you put them on your face, all that dirt and old makeup just rubs into your face, and it's just like rubbing old dirt and makeup on your skin. It might cause breakouts, irritation, and redness. So clean your brushes. You should clean all the brushes you use for creamy products such as concealers, foundations, and cream eyeshadows and stuff. You should clean after each time you've used them. If you're using a foundation, just go clean your brush. And when it comes to brushes for powdery products, you can clean them maybe 2 or 3 times a week. That's enough. So clean your brushes, guys. So this is something that I think we all have done sometimes. When we're getting home drunk at night, we don't take our makeup off, or we're just too tired to take the makeup off. But makeup is not meant to sleep in. When you're sleeping with makeup, it will clog your pores. It will also ruin your sheets. It can also cause breakouts, and you will wake up probably when I sleep with makeup. I do it very, very rarely, but sometimes I just fall asleep on the couch with makeup on, and when I wake up, my whole face kind of hurts and it just feels really weird. So clean your face before you go to bed. This is something that you should really be careful with, because sharing mascara can actually be really harmful. We only have one pair of eyes and we should be really careful about our eyes. People might have eye diseases or something that we don't know about, so even if you know your best friend, you should never share mascara with them. You should always keep your mascara to yourself. You might have makeup that you feel that you don't want to throw away because it was very expensive or because you like it a lot, but makeup have a best before date. Makeup gets old, just as food. So something you put on your face or on your eyes or on your lips, you really want it to be fresh and clean, right? Every makeup product has this thing on the bottom. It's an open jar, and in the jar it says either 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. And it means that when you open the package, it will last for 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. Products that are dry, eyeshadows for example, they have a longer life than products that are creamy. Creamy products usually don't last that long. Keep that in mind. And if a makeup product smells funky, you should probably just get rid of it, because then it's bad. This is something that I do actually. I squeeze pimples so much until they bleed. Sometimes I think it's very satisfying to like pick on pimples and squeeze pimples and blackheads. And I always tell people, like, don't squeeze blackheads, don't pick on your skin because you're gonna get scars, and yeah, you know. But this is something that I know that many people find very satisfying, and you squeeze until it starts bleeding. This is actually not good for you, and you should just stop doing it, because It's really bad for your skin when it starts bleeding, and because then you will get a wound and eventually you will get a scar from that wound. So please stop picking your skin. I'm telling myself as well. I know several people that does this because the mascara does not keep the curl after you put it on. So they curl the lashes after they put on mascara, and this might actually break your lashes because when you put mascara on, the lashes get really stiff, and when you curl them, the curler might just cut off your lashes. If you want to make sure that your lashes will stay curled after you curl them, use a waterproof mascara, because a waterproof mascara usually contains no water and it will really make the lashes stay curled, so you don't have to curl them after. You don't have to buy very expensive face washes, and you don't have to buy the most expensive face cream, but don't use soap and water, because soap will really dry out your skin, and water also dries out your skin. And if you don't have any specific like skin condition or bad skin or whatever, you can really get cheaper face cleansers at the drugstores, but just don't use soap and water because it's not good for you. This is something that I heard when I was younger, that if you have a pimple, use toothpaste and it will dry out. Did it work? No. The only thing that happened was that my skin got all sore from the toothpaste. And I guess that toothpaste is supposed to be in your mouth, not on your face. I don't know if this has helped anybody really. It might have helped you. In the long run, it's not gonna help. Use something else that is more calming, like tea tree oil or chamomile, to calm down your irritations on your skin. It's called body lotion for a reason. It's because it's supposed to be on your body. A body lotion on your face will just, stay on the surface, and it won't do anything more than maybe clog your pores and cause breakouts on your skin. Of course, this is very different on people, because people have different skin. On some people, nothing will happen. Other people might get really bad reactions from this. So use face moisturizer in your face and body lotion on your body. If you are sensitive like me, you should probably never try a new treatment or a new face cream or something new right before a big event like a wedding or a prom or birthday party or whatever, because you might be allergic to one single ingredient in this product, and it may cause an allergic reaction or something that will ruin this big day for you. I have done this so many times. I have tried new products that caused me really allergic reactions, which made me unable to put makeup on, for example. So if you're gonna get married, don't go to a skin therapist like the day before and do a treatment that you haven't tried before, because if something happens, it's really hard to take it back. So stay to your regular skincare routine before big events like weddings and stuff, because it's probably better that way. All right, so these are just a few things that I think that we all should just stop doing. If you want more videos like this, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click thumbs up so you don't miss any other videos in the future. And I'll see you again next week. Bye guys!